Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Atom Smasher's stash code. First, head to the Ebunike ship, which is found in the northern part of the Watson district. Once you arrive, find a way to get inside the ship. Your goal is to reach the captain's quarters, located on the upper deck. This area holds the key to unlocking the stash. Once you are in the captain's quarters, look for a data shard. It's usually found on a table or a similar surface within the room. This shard is crucial because it holds the specific access code you need. Simply interact with the shard to read its contents, and the code will be automatically added to your inventory. With the code in hand, make your way down to the lower deck of the Ebunike ship. Search for a locked door that requires an access code to open. This is the entrance to Atom Smasher's hidden stash. Use the code you just acquired to unlock the door, granting you full access to the valuable contents inside. Inside the stash room, you'll discover a variety of valuable items, often including powerful, iconic weapons and other useful gear. Make sure to collect everything to fully complete this objective and maximize your rewards. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you might enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.